Hey everyone, this is my ladder. Needless to say, I need a replacement for it. And when I got to replace this, it's definitely way better than using this little rickety ladder that I've been using. This is the Briner 7-in-1, 330 pound rated, 19.5-inch extension ladder. Yeah, it's 7-in-1, so you get a bunch of different ladders. So like right now, I got this set up as a couple of AA ladders. So that means that me and somebody else could be working on something together in between the two. Now let's say I wanted a platform. Well, simple enough. All I gotta do is extend the middle portion. Once I get that set up, now I've got myself a platform you can work across this. Now warning, there are supports that you can get to put under this, and that's what I would probably do before I got on this, but you do have this if you like it. Let's say you just need a regular step ladder. There you go, almost a 10-foot A-frame ladder for you. And you can keep going. You can make this a 19-foot extension ladder. You could break one of the sides down and have it as a 14-foot L-shaped ladder so you could have it leaning on your roof. There's all kinds of options of what you can do with this. And it's really simple to use. See these little blue handles right here? You have 6 of them, 2 on either side and then 1 in the center. And all you have to do is pull it down and it locks it into the open position. I know that sounds a little bit confusing, but the advantage to that is when I do that, I don't have to have my hands on this holding it in place to go ahead and bend it. So now that I have it locked, I could go ahead and just move this as I need to for it to lock into the next position. And again, this thing is weight rated to 330 pounds. I am 200 pounds and bouncing on this. This thing isn't moving. It locks into place once it's locked in. As far as collapsibility goes, you can see right here, fully collapsed, this thing's about 5.5 feet tall. I'm 6'3", if that gives you a little bit of reference. And as far as weight goes, I'd say this is somewhere between 20 and 30 pounds because it's easy to move with one hand and go ahead and take it wherever I need it to go. But what you want to know is would I recommend it or would I buy it again? Yeah, I would absolutely buy this again. The versatility of this was perfect. This allows me to do not only the chores around the house, but everything else I need to do to keep the house up and running. It's lightweight, it's very compact, it gives me 7 different options, it's weight rated to 330 pounds, it's easy to use, and I love the locking system because you can always tell when it's locked. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.